जब बालाकोट हुआ तब हमारे अपने लोगों को ये समझाना मुश्किल हो गया था कि हमने उनका कितना नुकसान किया है। हमारे पास ठोस सबूत नहीं थे, लेकिन पूरा इंटेलिजेंस था। इस बार हम बालाकोट वाली कमी को पूरा कर पाए। ये कहना है वायुसेना प्रमुख एयर चीफ मार्शल AP सिंह का। 9 अगस्त को प्रेस से बात करते हुए उन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर कई अहम खुलासे किए। इसके अलावा उन्होंने बालाकोट को लेकर भी कई बातें बताई। सुनिए।
In Balakot, we could not get anything from inside, and it became a big issue trying to tell our own people, unfortunately, our own people, as to what we have been able to achieve. We had intelligence of what has gone on inside. We had intelligence of, human kind of intelligence, where we had very clear picture of inside in terms of there have been huge damage. There have been so many terrorists which have been utilized, but we could not convince our own people that, look, we have achieved that. But this time again, a thing like this would have given us the same problem. But we were lucky, and we got these videos on the open. This is the same building from inside. You see the amount of damage that it has created, because all these penetration weapons, the sound is from that video. So they cause this kind of damage. From outside, you get a feeling as if it's just a small hole. So I'm very happy that this time we were able to, take care of that ghost of Balakot, that we were able to tell the world what we have achieved.
एयर चीफ मार्शल ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान दुश्मनों के हमलों को रोकने के पीछे की पूरी प्लानिंग के बारे में भी खुलासे किए। उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे आकाश मिसाइल से लेकर एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम S-400 ने पाकिस्तान की नाक में दम कर रखा था।
We were able to neutralize most of their weapons by either countermeasures, some of them by using our air-to-air guns, as well as SHGWs. Systems like Akash and all have taken down many of their loiter munitions which have come in, the weaponized ones. None of their aircraft could come anywhere near the boundaries of Akash and even MRSAM. All their aircraft were taken on by LRSAM because they were trying to stay away, but still they were within our ranges at times, and that is the opportunity targets that we got. As far as our offensive was concerned, so that night we held no hold bar. We didn't have any hold bar, and we decided that we will go attack at Pan front. We will stretch his resources, and the idea was once again not to attack one particular airfield and decimate that airfield. Idea was to give him that feeling or give him that indication that, look, we can attack you deep inside at will wherever we want to.
एयर चीफ मार्शल के बयान को लेकर राजनीति के गलियारों में भी अलग अलग प्रतिक्रियाएं देखने को मिल रही हैं। फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए द लल्लन टॉप। शुक्रिया।